Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Guys, I'm excited for this video because I love to just sit down and talk to you guys. You guys know, you guys know, okay? Meanwhile, are you guys feeling my hair? This is our 10k hair. Hey god, this is our 10,000 naira hair. If you're clueless on what I'm talking about, I did a video during Vlogmas where I bought some wigs worth 10,000 naira from a particular website, and this is one of them. This was the very first one I wore that many of you loved, and I just put in some leave-in conditioner today. I was advised not to pluck the closure any further or it's going to shed more, so I just used concealer to make the parting a little more visible, and here we are, old Hollywood glam, okay? And I'm super happy. I love it, guys. Anyways, that is not what this video is about, okay? Now, in the spirit of the new year, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a get to know me tag. I know you're not a new YouTuber. Why are you doing a get to know me tag? Yeah, but in the spirit of the new year, and especially because I put out on my Instagram some days ago asking you guys on my stories, what would you like to see from me this year on YouTube, and I got 2 or 3 of you tell me a get to know me tag. So for those of you who are new here, my new subscribers, and even if you've known me but you still want to get to know me even better, okay, let's start off the new year with this video. This is not the first video of the year, but second video of the year. Get my drift? Okay, so I found some get to know me questions on the internet, but like this particular page has more than 300 questions, and we're not going to do that in this video, okay? So maybe I'm going to just like answer the first 20 questions or the first 30 questions, and yeah, without further ado and without wasting too much of your time, guys, let's get right into this video, okay? Alright, so the very first question, which is a very obvious question, is what is your full name? Well, many of you know me as Alma Ngu, but that's not my full name, okay? My full names are Alma Nebuife. Yes, one of my Igbo names is Nebuife, given to me by my mom's father. One Ne Amaka, given to me by my dad's father. And please don't call me one Ne or Ne, please. Thank you. Veronica. My name is Veronica, but please don't call me Veru. I beg you, in the name of God, do not call me Veru. My name is Veronica. Well, that is like my confirmation name. If you're a Catholic, you know what a confirmation name is. My confirmation name is Veronica. And yeah, my maiden name is Ujubana, but my marital name is Ngu. So yes, those are all my names, okay? What does your name mean? Okay, I'm guessing this is what does Alma mean? Now, Alma means different things in different languages, but I always grew up knowing that my name meant learned soul. I'll leave it on the screen, learned soul. So I'm a very intelligent young lady, okay? So yes, that's what my name means, and it has a bunch of other meanings, but in the same line with learned soul, okay? Number 3, are you named after anyone? I don't think so. My dad was the one that came up with my name because he didn't want to give his children very queer names, and that's why my name is Alma. My sister's name is Melba. My kid sister's name is Wendy. So like he wanted very unique names for all of us. And I remember my mom said that he found my name in a huge book in our Catholic church then in Lagos. That's where he found Alma and said yes, her name is going to be Alma. So yeah, that's about it. I don't think I was named after anybody in particular, but my sister was named after Melba Moore. My dad loved the musician Melba Moore back in the day, so he named Melba after her. Next question, does your name make any interesting anagrams? What is anagram? What's anagram? Skip. You know the meaning of anagram? Leave it in the comment section below. If you had to change your first name, what would you change it to? Quite frankly, I don't think I would want to change my first name. It's a very unique name, and it's just really now at this point in my life I am beginning to see people that have the same name as I do. So no, I don't think I would change my first name for anything ever. Number 6, where are you from? I am from Asaba, Delta State of Nigeria. Where were you born? I was born in Lagos, Nigeria. Where did you grow up? I grew up partly in Lagos, but more in Abuja. We left Lagos when I was about 9 years old, going on 10 years old. So yeah, I grew up in Lagos and Abuja. Yeah. The next one, who did you look up to growing up? I would say that was my mom. I just liked how she used to do her things. I just liked how she was always so glamorous, effortlessly. So I grew up wanting to be like my mom, and I still want to be like my mom till today. What are your best characteristics? I would say my best characteristics are my eyes, because people always ask me, are you wearing contact lenses? Is that contacts in your eyes? Are you wearing contacts? I get it all the time. So I think that would be like my best feature on my body, like my entire body, my face, everywhere would be my eyes. What are your favorite things about yourself? I'm a go-getter. I don't like to lazy around. Like today, for instance, now I have been up and doing, my help is still not back by the way, but I have been up and doing, I have done a product shoot for a brand today. I have taken care of Mia Rose. If you are a mom, you know that taking care of a child is like a full-time job. So yeah, I have done all that. I have taken care of my family, I've cleaned my house, I have cooked, I am filming this video right now. I am a neat freak, and I like the fact that I am a neat freak. I am not neat to the point that I have OCD, but I just do not like my surroundings and my environment to be dirty. Of course, you guys always tell me, oh Alma, I like the way you speak so well. I think I like that about myself too, the fact that I actually speak well. I know I speak well, so yeah, I love those things about myself. Which of your parents are you closest to? I'm close to the two of them. Okay, I'm close to the both of them. Which of your parents are you more like? I am more like my dad in terms of appearance, and I am more like my mom in terms of characteristics. Yeah. What is your best physical feature? I've already answered that. That would be my eyes for me. What is your biggest accomplishment? I think right now I'll be having my daughter. Yeah, we'll be having a child. For me, that's like my biggest accomplishment for me. Yeah. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear used to be fear of heights. I used to have a fear of heights before, but I think I have overcome that fear. Yeah. So I would say my biggest fear right now is fear of not making it in life. Like I have goals I set for myself, so it's almost like I have a fear of, oh wow, I will not like accomplish my goals, or you know, stuff like that. So that would be my biggest fear right now. What is your biggest regret? My biggest regrets would be not starting YouTube earlier on. I know I started YouTube quite early, 2016, but I feel like if I had started YouTube way earlier, like 2012, 2011, who knows, I may just be bigger than the way I am right now. I might just be bigger than this. What is your eye color? My eye color is brown. I used to think my eyes were hazel, but they're not hazel. They're not like hazel. So they're like really light brown, if that's a color. Really light brown, not light brown, really light brown, but not hazel. Okay. What inspires you? I think what inspires me is just making my family proud. Just knowing that there are certain things I can accomplish in life, and my family will be so proud of me. And that is not to say that my family is not proud of me right now. I'm just saying that it gets to a point where, you know, your family will be cutting car for you every day. Like your family wake up in the morning and tell you, no, we are proud of you. That's the point I want to get to. So that's what pushes me, and that's what inspires me. What is the most important thing in your life? The most important thing in my life obviously is my God, my husband, and then my baby girl, and then my family. So yeah, in that order. What has required the most courage of you in life so far? Giving birth. Giving birth vaginally. Oh God. See, go and watch my labor and delivery story. I'll leave a link up here in case you missed it. Go and watch it. That thing took all the courage I had in this life from me. All the courage I had in my body, all the courage I had, it took everything from me. Everything from me. So I think that would be the thing that has taken the most courage from me, would be giving birth. What is your favorite childhood memory? My favorite childhood memory would have to be going to the beach when we're living in Lagos back then. You guys in Abuja, we are suffering. We don't have any beaches in Abuja. So it would be going to the beach as a child, especially because my dad would drive us to the beach in his car, and we would be playing some Makossa jams that were raining back then. My dad is such a Makossa freak up till now, and he imbibed that love for Makossa in us as kids. So he would play Makossa in the car on the way to the beach, on a long drive to the beach back then in Lagos. And whenever I remember those memories, I just feel really good about it. So those would be like my fondest childhood memories, would be driving to the beach with my dad, yeah, and my siblings, of course. What is your favorite color? Favorite color is pink. I'm a pink girl, you guys can tell. Okay, I'm a pink girl anytime, any day. But then I'm also tilting a lot towards black these days, and yellow. So pink, black, yellow, those are like my favorite colors right now. What is your favorite drink? I don't want to be among those that come and say, oh, my favorite drink is water. Say lie. Favorite drink is not water. My favorite drink would have to be a mojito, probably a virgin mojito. I don't really dig an alcoholic mojito, so I prefer a virgin mojito or a freaking strawberry daiquiri. So those two would be my favorite drinks. I will order those anywhere I go to eat out. What is your favorite food? Favorite food is anything rice or fries. So fries, rice, you can catch me anytime, any day. Your favorite holiday destination? Initially, it used to be Zanzibar. Then I started liking Mauritius. Then, in fact, when I was much younger, I used to be Brazil. Then I moved to Zanzibar, then Mauritius, then Seychelles. But anyway, anything that has blue water and white sand counts me in. I'm all in. My favorite ice cream flavor. I am not a vanilla girl or a chocolate girl when it comes to ice cream. So I love a lot of fruits. Like I love fruity flavors like raspberry, strawberry, wild berry, blueberry. Those are like my kind of ice cream flavors. I love those. What is your favorite music genre? My favorite music genre would be R&B. Yeah, and I love a lot of old songs, like older songs. So you don't see me having like current songs like in Nigeria or foreign current songs on my phone. You will mostly see classic songs like from the 90s or from the early 2000s. Those are like my kind of jams. What is your favorite time of day? Night time, because it's time to sleep. My favorite type of clothing would have to be my favorite type of clothing, I think it would be dresses, short dresses, because they're easy to wear and easy to style. So yeah, I love dresses a lot. What is your favorite way to pass time? My favorite way to pass time would have to be watching YouTube videos. Yes, I enjoy watching YouTube videos as I enjoy making them as well. What was your favorite subject in high school? That would have to be, I can't say English, because in high school, guys, English became so difficult in high school, especially in senior class. So I can't even say English. Maybe home management, because it was just really easy for me. So I would say home management, because I did home management when I was in high school. My least favorite is definitely mathematics. It would have to be mathematics. I hated maths. I still hate maths. I can't stand mathematics. I just don't like maths. Okay. Are you high maintenance? No, I'm not high maintenance. People always think I am high maintenance because when I was single, a lot of guys used to like run far from me because they always see like a very fair girl and think, oh wow, she's high maintenance. Her cream alone will be costing like God knows how much. And that was like the biggest misconception about me while I was, younger in the dating sphere and all of that. People will always think I was high maintenance because I am fair and because maybe, for whatever reason, I don't know. So yeah, that is like the biggest misconception about me. And no, I am not high maintenance, okay? I am not. Are you a dog person or a cat person? None of the above. I'm not a pet person, so Are you a good cook? I would think so. I would believe I am a good cook. What is good about how you are living your life right now? Quite frankly, is not being answerable to anybody. But of course, I'm answerable to like, my husband and all, but I mean like in terms of career, I don't have to wake up in the morning and go to the office and answer anybody, ma or sir. That is like the biggest thing, like the best thing about living my life right now is that I don't have to wake up in the morning to get to work at a particular time and be answering somebody's sama all day, every day, all week, all year round. That is the biggest thing I do not miss about having a 9-to-5 job, okay? I am my own boss. I choose to work when I want to work. I take my time. I do what I want to do when I want to do it without anybody breathing down my neck. So that's it. Who is the first person you call when something exciting happens? Jessie. It's definitely Jessie or my sister. What is the favorite thing about where you live? My balcony. You guys see my balcony in many of my photographs on Instagram these days. My balcony. And yeah, just that the house is a lot more spacious than where I used to be. Okay, so 2 more questions. What is your favorite thing about YouTube? My favorite thing about YouTube is there are no limits. You can just wake up one day and decide to share your life here on YouTube. There are no limits, and these days you can do that and earn a living from it. So that is my favorite thing about YouTube. Most YouTubers love what they do. I'm speaking for myself and some people that I know. I don't know about you if you're a YouTuber watching me, but a lot of YouTubers I know enjoy what they do, and that is the best part about YouTube. You are working, but it doesn't feel like work. So I love that a lot about YouTube. And then the very last question is, why should you subscribe to my channel? Okay, why should you subscribe to this channel? If you're watching it for the very first time, here's why you should subscribe to Alma Ungu's channel. Okay, I'm fun, I'm witty, I give interesting back-to-back content on here that I know you would absolutely enjoy, and trust me, it will not be a waste of your time. You will love it here. All right, so that's it, guys. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and hope you guys enjoyed getting to know me a little bit more than you already do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, leave me a comment down below as always, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.